Hey everyone, I just got back from Tractor Supply. I'm going to start fermenting my chicken feed, so I figured I would take you through the process of that. I got 2 buckets with lids. You want to make sure that whatever you use, you rinse it out. This one is BPA free. I got the organic baby food, like I call it, the chick starter, and then the layer crumbles. Okay, so I have my bucket and my stir. I'm going to go out and get some feed, add some water, and I will show you the next step. Hi, baby. You want to watch me make some feed? It's supposed to be about an inch or two above where the feed is. Okay. That's another one of my roosters. That's the great grandpa. He's the only one who has attacked me, and he doesn't like the phone, so I'm gonna get off now. Wish, can you watch it for me? No, Wish.